Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I will be showing you my little garden when I was still in Brunei and also our garden here in the UK. So first is the apple seedling from Brunei, but it did not last long since Brunei is very hot. I've got here some basils. This one is also basil. Basil cuttings from my garden. Another basil plant. Almost all my plants are in pots. Also basil cuttings. This one is bok choy. I replanted. Just put it in a container with water. This one is the carrots. This one is celery. Cucumber. Another cucumber. Garlic. This one is ginger. Grapes from the Philippines. This one is in our house in Lapu-Lapu City. This one is my herbs in the UK. This one is kale, kangkong, another kangkong, lemongrass. I soak it with water and I plant it in a pot. I've got here some lettuce, another lettuce, and lettuce seedlings grow from seeds. This one is my malunggay and lime fruit. This one is mint, mongo plant, another mongo plant, okra. This one is from my garden, okra, onions, spring onions, I regrow this onions and it grow into spring onions. This one is also an indoor plant, oregano, another oregano. This one is peanuts, bell peppers, bell pepper seedlings, more bell pepper seedlings, a lot of bell pepper seedlings, bell pepper, seedlings of bell pepper hydroponic way, another seedlings of bell peppers, red, green, and yellow bell peppers, different colors. Bell peppers. This one is sweet potatoes, tomatoes, beef steak tomatoes. I also have cherry tomatoes as well, tomato seedlings, more tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes with fruit, some more tomatoes, another tomatoes, fruit from my garden, tomatoes, another one. This salad came from my garden. the lettuce and the tomatoes. This one is sweet potato, another sweet potato, and tarragon. Tarragon and lemongrass. Thanks for watching.